Hello and welcome to Digit. We will be unboxing the Corsair M55 RGB Pro. Now this is a pretty standard box. We'll be opening it up like this. As usual, there's some headroom above the mouse. Now there's not much in the box. It's a wired mouse. This is the warranty guide and user manual. Warranty information and user manual. Now the user manual is just one sheet of folding paper and comes in English and Chinese. Let's have a look at the mouse itself now. This is a perfectly symmetrical mouse. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons, but depending on whether you are right-handed or left-handed, you will only be using 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and the middle click is on the scroll wheel. Now you can switch between the right-handed and left-handed modes using the PC software. This is a Ambidextrous mouse. The button in the middle is for changing the DPI settings, and there is a LED indicator to show the DPI, and the LED lights light up the Corsair logo on the bottom over here. At the lower surface of the mouse, you'll see that there are 3 pads for reducing the friction. And the cable is a fiber cable with a Velcro cable binder. This is a standard USB 3.0 port. This is a very interesting mouse because it's both a wireless and a wired mouse. So to go into wireless mode, you can just pop this out and then you get the freedom. Then now when you want precision and control, you can push this wire back in and then you get a better precision. Thanks for watching.